Is your MacBook Pro Retina 13-inch A1425 from late 2012 or early 2013 not charging? A faulty DC-in power jack could be the culprit. Today, we're looking at the Deal4GO DC-in power jack board, a replacement charging port socket designed specifically for these models. This board is compatible with a MacBook Pro Retina A1425 13-inch late 2012 and early 2013 series, so make sure you have the correct model before purchasing. It supports models MD212LL, BTO-CTO, and ME662LLA. The connector is a 7-wire, 8-pin plug-in type, which means no soldering is required. This is a huge plus for those who aren't comfortable with intricate soldering work. You simply plug it directly into the motherboard. The compatible part number is 820-3248A, and it's also a replacement for AP1E part number 9230222. Each pack includes one DC-in-M at G-Safe 2 power jack board. Replacing a DC-in jack can seem daunting, but the Deal4GO board simplifies the process. The fact that it's a plug-in replacement is a major advantage. Always remember to disconnect the battery before working on any internal components. There are plenty of online guides and videos that can walk you through the process step by step. If you're not comfortable doing it yourself, it's always best to seek professional help. Overall, the Deal4GO DC-in power jack board offers a convenient and relatively straightforward solution for a common MacBook Pro problem. If you're experiencing charging issues with your compatible MacBook Pro, this replacement board is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.